Congratulations on the purchase of your new multi-award-winning PRIMA Super Panel and Security System by NAPCO. In the next few minutes, we'll tour some of its components and walk you through how to install your system in minutes. Installation is easy and on-screen steps, and voice prompts will make it quick and intuitive. But please make sure to allow at least 30 minutes to set it all up on pre-cleaned surfaces for best adhesion. In this video, we'll discuss how to set up your PRIMA panel, place your sensors, install your optional doorbell, and make sure everything is connected to our 24/7 monitoring center. At the end, we'll review some extra PRIMA accessories, should you want to add them at any time. Let's get started. Wire the power supply connecting red wire to red and black wire to black on back of plug. Open the back cover and connect the micro USB cable to the DC socket, followed by the battery. Reinstall the back cover, inserting tabs at bottom. You'll hear a snap when secure. Slide on the optional tabletop stand on back over the two tabs if you'd like to use it. Plug in the PRIMA panel adapter into an AC outlet. Let the PRIMA panel turn on and start its setup wizard. Once the welcome page shows up, tap Start. Select your home Wi-Fi network and connect to Wi-Fi. Create and confirm a case-sensitive password and your 4-digit master code for your PRIMA panel. Write down your password and PIN code and keep somewhere safe. Next, select the location in your home where you want the panel to be installed. Now that your PRIMA panel is set up, we'll walk you through how to activate and install your security sensors and video camera. All of your PRIMA security devices will need to be added via your PRIMA panel hub. Let's install your motion sensor. Before you begin the process, make sure to remove any plastic tags. If you have pets, please be aware that motion sensitivity can be adjusted by using the jumpers on the back of the sensor. To reference the full online installation manual at any time, simply scan the QR code on the enclosed Getting Started guide from your PRIMA box. It will automatically direct you to the full guide on the website, including how to adjust the motion detector jumpers. Select the motion option on the Add Sensor screen on your PRIMA panel. Trigger your sensor by pressing the small test button on the side of the casing. The panel will announce the name of that sensor. Choose the location in your home where this sensor will be installed. Remember, positioning your motion sensor properly is important. Follow your PRIMA panel's instructions on ideal sensor positioning. Place the sensor about 6.5 feet above the floor, avoiding heat sources and things that could interfere with the sensor's field of view. We recommend placing your motion sensor in a corner since it has a 90-degree field of view. Avoid facing sensors toward windows and glass doors. Do not place the sensor in an area of the home where pets may reside while the system is armed. Motion sensors should not be placed in non-climate controlled areas like garages or sheds. Clean the install area of any dirt or residue. Remove the adhesive backing. Now you'll mount your sensor. Press firmly for 3 seconds. Now your sensor is now all set up. To install your door sensors, first remove any plastic tags. Select the door option on the Add Sensor screen on your panel. Separate the sensor and the magnet. The panel will announce the name of the sensor. Choose the location in your home the sensor will be installed at. The panel will prompt you on how to mount it. Clean the install area of any dirt or residue. Remove the adhesive backing and place the sensor on the door frame. Press firmly for 30 seconds. Now, place the magnet on the door within 1 inch of the sensor. Press again firmly for 30 seconds. Remember to leave space for the door to move without making contact with the sensor. Place the sensor towards the top of the door for best results. Always mount the sensor inside the home or building away from the elements. Avoid installing any PRIMA sensor or device within a metal structure or sheds. Metal, mirrors, fish tanks, and thick concrete walls will weaken the sensor signal and reduce performance. Installing your window sensors. To start installing the window sensors, select the window option on the Add Sensor screen on your panel and make sure to remove any plastic tags on the sensor. Then separate the two halves to activate or trigger it. Your PRIMA panel will announce the name of each sensor. Choose the location in your home where the sensor will be installed. Remember to clean your surface before affixing the sensor. Place the sensor on the window pane and the small magnet on the frame. Be sure that the placement of the sensors will not get in the way of the window opening and closing. Depending on the window, it may be necessary to place the sensor on the frame and the magnet on the window pane. Either piece can be mounted at a 90-degree angle as long as the other piece is installed less than half an inch apart. If your system includes a smart PRIMA doorbell, you're really going to like using it and having its smart AI detection work behind the scenes. Let's install it. Select the doorbell option on the Add Sensor screen on your panel. Follow the prompts on your panel to pair the doorbell to your PRIMA panel. Once your PRIMA and doorbell are paired together, choose a location for the doorbell where your home Wi-Fi connection is good. The ideal height for your doorbell is approximately 4 feet off the ground. If you're replacing an existing doorbell, remove the doorbell and cover the tip of the wires to prevent touching the ends. Use the mounting bracket as a guide and determine where the screws will be placed. Mark the desired location. If installing into wood, use a screwdriver and the included screws to start the holes. If the drill holes are too large, use the included screws and anchors to provide the perfect fit. If installing onto concrete or brick, you'll need to use a power drill. Place the mounting bracket on the wall, lining up the holes with the mounting bracket. Install the mounting bracket using the included screws and tighten it. Attach the PRIMA doorbell to the mounting bracket by placing the anchor into the square opening on the back of the doorbell. Slide the doorbell downward to lock it in place. Confirm the doorbell is flush with the mounting bracket. Tighten the 2 screws on the bottom of the mounting bracket to secure the doorbell, but do not over-tighten. Testing your sensors. The PRIMA panel will prompt you to walk around your home, opening and closing each door and window that has a sensor installed. To test your motion sensors, you should go to each sensor and press the test button. To test the doorbell, ring the doorbell. Return to your PRIMA panel once you have triggered all your newly installed sensors. Click the skip button to proceed to the next step in the guide. This allows you to move forward and return to any other sensors later. Once you've done this for each device or sensor, you're all set. Next, we'll see how to arm and disarm your system. There are 2 modes that can be used when the system is armed. Stay mode arms all sensors except the motion sensors. You should select this mode when your home is occupied. Away mode arms all sensors, including motion sensors. You should select this mode when your home is unoccupied. For stay mode, disarm your system tapping disarm and entering your 4-digit code. Then, to arm your system in stay mode, you just tap the stay button on your home screen. To arm your system in away mode, you'll tap leaving on the home screen or hold the away button on your key fob. To disarm your system, tap disarm on the home screen and then enter your 4-digit passcode. Congratulations! Your PRIMA security system is now installed and ready to use. Download the NAPCO PRIMA Smart app via the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, or scan the smaller QR code on your Getting Started guide. You'll find this super smart app also makes a great additional way to control your PRIMA system from anywhere you are. Now, most importantly, to activate your system's professional emergency/alarm monitoring, or if you have any questions along the way, please contact our security company call center directly using the info provided on your account contract or paperwork. Check out the growing line of PRIMA accessories you can add at any time.